Ashley from Ashley's Cookie Creations. I saw where you guys had a lot of questions about storage and where you put everything, so I thought I would make a video to show you guys my little storage container. That's my dog Blondie. She's part of our cookie creating team. So I got this off Amazon. I actually got it as a Christmas present. It's got a nice little workspace up top where I got my heat sealer up here. I can set my icing up here, and this is a little trick for your icing. If you didn't know, it's a lot easier to use a spray bottle to thin out your icing than to pour the water in, so you don't use as much as you would pouring it in. I got some extract and some M&Ms. Here's another little trick. I use these for paint your own. You can just use these for the just like this, the paint palettes, instead of making your own. And in my little storage bins, my first drawer, I got edible markers, my painting stuff, my luster dust, which I use the Sugar Art brand, which I think is a really good brand. And I use these little clips for my icing containers. They're actually like little sewing clips, but they work perfect. And you can find those on Amazon as well. We'll link those in the comments. So in my second drawer, I got my piping bags, which I also buy on Amazon. My third drawer, that's all my sprinkles, not all of them, but the ones I use the most. And then here I just got like thank you stickers, some of my stencils. And then I got all my food coloring in here. And this is just a Pioneer Woman bowl, and it works perfect for all my food coloring, so I can see exactly what there is. In my last drawer, I got my meringue powder and my icing ingredients. And then in this first drawer, I keep my piping ends and my turntable for my cookies. And then all these drawers are just different cookie cutters. I have them separated. Sometimes they get stuck like that. So I know exactly what's in which. So, and then, as you can see, these two drawers are bigger, so I get to store more in those. And then as soon as I'm done with my cookies for the day, I can just move my icing, and it slides perfectly right underneath here. Barely sticks out, so not in the way. It can just stay there. So we'll link the cart in the comments for y'all to take a look at, and I would recommend it, especially if you're just a hobby baker like me and don't need that much space. So thanks for watching. Bye from Blondie.